Looking to upgrade your living space? From cozy chairs to smart storage solutions, we've rounded up 15 amazing home products that are perfect for any modern home. Stay tuned as we check out each item and see why they are worth every penny. Check link in the description. Let's start with number 1, the Tiita Lazy Chair with Ottoman. This ultra-comfy chair is perfect for relaxing after a long day. With its matching ottoman, you can kick back, put your feet up, and enjoy some serious comfort. A stylish and cozy addition to any living room. Link in the description. Next up, number 2, the KASUNPUL Folding Sofa Bed with Pillow. Perfect for small apartments, dorm rooms, or guest spaces, this folding sofa easily transforms into a comfortable bed in seconds. Whether you're hosting friends or just need extra lounging space, this versatile piece does it all. Plus, the included pillow adds that extra cozy touch for maximum comfort. Moving on to number 3, the Finnhomy LED Coffee Table. This modern coffee table takes your living room to the next level with built-in LED lighting that creates a cool, stylish vibe. It's not just eye-catching, it's also functional, giving you the perfect spot for drinks, decor, or game nights. A true statement piece for any space. Link in the description. Next up, number 4, the Ambimall Arc Floor Lamp. This sleek, modern floor lamp features a stylish arched design that instantly elevates any room. It provides soft, warm lighting that's perfect for reading, relaxing, or creating a cozy atmosphere in your living space. The tall, elegant frame makes it a statement piece while still blending beautifully with modern decor. Number 5, the aboxoo Coffee Table Nesting Set of 2. This stylish nesting table set is perfect for modern homes. Use them together for a layered look or separate them when you need extra surface space. Great for serving guests, holding decor, or saving space in smaller living rooms. Functional, trendy, and super practical. Moving on to number 6, the elurevia Wooden Drawer Dresser. This beautifully designed wooden dresser adds both charm and functionality to your space. With multiple spacious drawers, it helps keep clothes, accessories, and essentials neatly organized. Its clean, modern look makes it a perfect fit for bedrooms or living areas. Next up, number 7, the Kakania Abstract Washable Rugs. These stylish abstract rugs instantly elevate any space with their modern design and vibrant patterns. They are soft, comfortable under your feet, and perfect for living rooms, bedrooms, or even home offices. Plus, they are fully washable, making cleanup quick and easy, ideal for homes with kids or pets. A beautiful mix of style and practicality. Number 8, the TieyaChkis Waterproof Couch Cover, Couch and Lamp Hash. Protect your sofa in style with this durable and waterproof couch cover. It helps guard against spills, stains, pet hair, and everyday wear and tear. Easy to install and remove, it's perfect for families, pet owners, or anyone looking to keep their furniture looking brand new. Practical, protective, and stylish all in one. Link in the description. Next up, number 9, the YYW Home Ottoman Storage Bench. This versatile ottoman is more than just a stylish accent piece. It provides comfortable extra seating, works as a relaxing footrest, and features spacious hidden storage inside. Perfect for storing blankets, books, toys, or everyday essentials while keeping your space neat and organized. It's the perfect blend of function and modern design. Number 10, the LAKEMID C-shaped end table set of 2. These sleek C-shaped tables are designed to slide perfectly under your couch or bed, giving you a convenient surface right where you need it. Ideal for holding drinks, snacks, laptops, or decor, they are perfect for small spaces and modern living. Stylish, compact, and super functional. Link in the description. Next up, number 11, the Tiita Bamboo Sideboard Buffet Cabinet. This beautifully crafted bamboo cabinet adds natural charm and smart storage to your home. Perfect for dining rooms, living rooms, or even entryways, it offers plenty of space to store dishes, decor, or everyday essentials. Its clean design and eco-friendly material make it both stylish and functional. Number 12. The Flash Furniture Indoor-Outdoor Folding Chairs. These lightweight and durable folding chairs are perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. Whether you're hosting a party, setting up extra seating, or planning an outdoor gathering, they are easy to fold, store, and carry. Practical, sturdy, and always ready when you need extra seats. Number 13. The Novilla Foldable Mattress. This foldable mattress is perfect for overnight guests, small apartments, or even travel. It easily folds for compact storage and unfolds into a comfortable sleeping surface in seconds. Lightweight, convenient, and super practical for modern living. Number 14. The 14 Side Table. This modern side table adds a sleek and elegant touch to any room. Perfect beside your sofa or bed, it offers a convenient surface for lamps, books, drinks, or decor. Its stylish design makes it both a functional piece and a statement accent for your space. Link in the description. And finally, number 15. The TOOLF 3-tier rolling cart. This versatile rolling cart is perfect for organizing your kitchen, bathroom, office, or even your bedroom. With 3 spacious tiers and smooth rolling wheels, it makes storage easy and accessible wherever you need it. Stylish, mobile, and super convenient for everyday use. You can find the link in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more amazing home finds.